Welcome back to Homeland Gamer, and today I'm going to upgrade my Ubuntu 22.04 to 24.04 LTS. We'll cover what you check before upgrading, how to run the upgrade safely, and what to do afterwards once you're finished. Let's get into it. Ubuntu 24.04 is a long-term support release, which means 5 years of updates, new kernels, better hardware support, and improved performance overall. If you're on 24.04, this is a supported in-place upgrade, so you don't need to reinstall the whole system. Before upgrading, do not skip this step. Make a backup of your VM, ensure you're on Ubuntu 22.04 or newer, have at least 5 to 8 gigs of free disk space, make sure your system is fully updated. So first, we'll start by opening up our container in Proxmox. Now we're going to go ahead and update the repository. Now that we have the repository updated, we're going to go ahead and get a list of the things that would need to be updated. And this step is not necessarily needed, but I like to see, what needs to be updated. We'll update the packages. We'll go ahead and just put yes here. Now that it's done, I'll go ahead and check if there's any more updates. I do see that these two did get held back, but that's fine. Now we're going to go to the backup, and we're going to go ahead and back up our system. When we click on backup now, I like to copy the variables in the bottom and paste them on the notes. This process did take me over an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and jump ahead to go ahead and finish this. I went ahead and checked the updates again, and I'm going to go ahead and update these packages manually. And the way to do it is just type in apt install and then copy and paste the package name, and this will install it manually. Now that we're done installing all the packages, we're going to go ahead and do a reboot. Now with the container rebooted, as you can see, we have the Ubuntu 22.04.5. So this is the perfect version to upgrade to the next version. We're going to go ahead and type in apt install ubuntu-release-upgrade-core. It looks like we already have it installed, so we're going to go ahead and move to the next step. We're going to go ahead and copy and paste this command into this terminal. And then in the prompt, we got to make sure it says LTS. Once we know that we have that, we're going to go ahead and continue. If you do not have it, go ahead and type in nano-the path and go ahead and change that to LTS. Now that we have that done, we're going to go ahead and do a do-release-upgrade/D. So it looks like it's not going to let us. So we're going to go ahead and type in the same thing, but we're going to put -P, and then we're going to put the version that we want, which is 24.04.1 LTS. This will force the upgrade. Make sure you read the notes and go ahead and type in yes. or Y for yes. Make sure you put Y on this one. This one's just to update all the packages and get all the newest packages and remove anything that is not needed anymore. One eternity later. One eternity later. One eternity later. For this section, I like to keep the local version because I have all the settings already. So I'll just go ahead and click enter. Another eternity later. In this section, we'll go ahead and put another Y and go ahead and click enter. In this last step, we'll go ahead and put a Y and then click enter. And then once we're done, we'll go ahead and restart the computer. Now that the computer is restarted, we see that we have the new version of 24.04.3. And we'll go ahead and type in this command, and this lets us know that we are in that current version. We'll go ahead and do an apt update to make sure that we have the latest repository. And it looks like we do have the latest repository. And we'll go ahead and do an apt upgrade. And it looks like we're pretty much good to go. We're gonna go ahead and do an apt auto remove to go ahead and remove that package that is in there. And that is it. Now you're running Ubuntu 24.04 LTS fully upgraded without reinstalling your operating system. If you're running in a Homelab, VM cluster, or production environment, take the time to verify your services before calling it a day. If this video helped out, hit the like, subscribe, drop a comment if you run into any issues, or if you want a server-specific upgrade video next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to the lab. Welcome to Homelab Gamer.